As you observe here, Padmarshini, are you there? Critical angle means, so usually as we know, refraction will take place when the light is entering from one medium to another medium. Yes or no? Please respond. So now,
Sir.
when the incident angle is keep on changing at a certain angle, the light instead of going into the another medium, it will start moving into the same medium. So that situation, whatever the incident angle is there, that incident angle is called as, what we should call, guys? That incident angle is called as
Critical angle.
angle. Do you understand what I'm saying? That incident angle is called as critical angle. Are you clear, guys? Please respond me. Understand? Nobody will answer. Okay. Now, according to the question, try to read the question. Anybody, please try to read the question. Tarani, can you able to read the question?
Yes, sir. The diagram shows a ray of light passing through a semicircular glass block into air. Which row gives the correct name for angle P and states how angle P compares with the critical angle?
So observe very carefully. Now here, first you tell me air and glass. Here still it is bending into the same medium or refraction is taking place. Please respond. Here it is
Refraction taking place, sir.
refraction is taking place. Refraction is taking place means, is it it is reached to the critical angle, Kevin? Is it reached to the critical angle? Is it angle of incident is reached to the critical angle? I am asking. Please respond me. Now we want to find angle of incident. Angle of P what? Angle of P.
Incident, sir.
This is the incident angle. Correct, guys?
Yes,
Now,
sir, yes,
if
sir.
I inserted this incident angle, it is going straight line. But in our CBSE sample paper, what they asked, what is the angle of incident here? They are asked at this point, air into glass. Have you noticed it? Air into glass. So it is falling straight line, perpendicular, without any deviation. So what is the angle of incident?
0, sir.
0 degrees.
0.
Now they are asking, if angle of P is inserted here, now it is light is coming from glass into air. Have you noticed it? It is still refraction. Refraction is taking place or internal reflection?
Taking place, sir. Away from the.
Only taking place.
Away from the
Oh, yeah,
noise.
yes, okay. It is refraction is taking place. So refraction is taking place means, is it incident angle reaches to the critical angle or not? That is what my question. Akhil Arfan, Anusri, Nitish, can you answer what my question is? Now the still it is refraction is taking place. So means in the sense of, is it will reaches to the critical angle or not? Angle of incident is reaches to the critical angle or not? That is what I am asking. It's not it reached, correct? If it is reaches to the critical angle, then by the time light should go here, refracted light ray should come inside. Is it yes or no? This light ray should come inside. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? Please respond me. So now,
Yes, sir.
what's happening here? Critical angle means definitely it will be more than this P. Then only it will start bending. Then it will at certain angle it will go like this. Then only if it is more than that, then it will come inside. This is what. Is it yes, guys? Please respond me. Here side I have drawn
Yes.
same thing. Now you tell me. So let me imagine this is the critical angle and this is the angle P. Now what is the relation between them? Angle P is less than critical angle or equal to critical angle or greater than critical angle? Anyone? Brain.
Less than.
Who said less than?
Karthikeyan.
Karthikeyan. How you felt less than Karthikeyan? Because let me see this angle. Which angle is bigger? Critical angle is bigger or angle P is bigger? Anybody?
Critical angle.
Critical angle is bigger, if you'll guess it. So if it is critical angle means, then definitely light should bend inside. Where it will needs to reflect instead of refraction. So now you tell me. So according to the 4 options, so which one is correct? Which one is correctly it is matching for you? Can you able to say? Huh? Angle of incidence. Yeah, option. What? How you are able to read? Angle of incidence larger than the critical angle. Is it larger than the critical angle? Then you said A option. How it is correct? Which is correct answer? Tarani? Varshini? Option?
B.
Second option, sir.
Second option. Understand, Aravind? Reading question is careful. Be very careful with the reading question. They are asking which row gives the correct name for angle P and Understanding. Which row will gives the correct name for angle P? Angle P, and states how the angle P compares with the critical angle. So compares with the critical angle. That is why I said before going to options, you select here itself. So compared to the critical angle P is smaller or larger in the picture? Please respond.
Smaller, sir.
Smaller, sir. Smaller.
Smaller,
That is
sir.
what we want. So
Smaller.
angle P is smaller than the critical angle. So where it is matching options, angle of incident P is smaller than the critical angle. That's all. Option B is the correct answer. Then why are you wasting time? That is what I said. We don't want bother about other options. Do you understand what I am saying, Kevin? If you are very clear with the answer, as we know, we have been noticed here. Angle P is less than critical angle. So that's all. That is the option. We have to search for it. That's all. If you are finding that option, you have to finish it. Now this question, see. Yesterday, even I have given one quiz. In that quiz also this question came. And also this question came in somewhere. Can you say where it is came already?
Sample paper, sir.
Sample paper. Have you noticed it? That is question number 8. That is why I said it has been taken from that Cambridge curriculum. So what is the answer for this question? We already
C,
discussed.
sir.
Option C. Be very careful and tell me, guys, what is that?
Option C only, sir.
Option C. Because as we know, no light ray will bend towards to the focal length. Have you noticed it? 2F. 2 into focal length. 2F, it does not go through that. Next here also. The 2 into focal length does not go. Next here. Like this, it is not possible. Because if it is going through this, then it should go. Only the parallel light ray will go through the focus, not this bending. So now, what is the correct one? Which is going through the optical center, will go in a straight line, which is parallel to the principal axis, will go through the focus. Is it yes or no, guys? So, option C is the correct answer. Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
On me.
Yes, sir.
This also don't know. You have to answer, yeah. Now let's next this question. Let me see who will answer. Fastly. Seconds you have to answer. Anybody, please? Registration also not unable to answer, very bad, right? I'm saying.
Sir, QR, sir.
Huh?
QR.
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 That's all. Seconds. You have to answer in a seconds. That is what I will expect always. You should not take more time. Because see what they are asking? The diagram represents a converging lens forming an image of an object. So now if you observe, at what distance the focal length of the lens, which distance is the focal length of the lens? Which distance? Can you notice?
QR, sir.
QR.
Between the
Yes, as we know.
optical center
Yes,
and
yes.
the
So as we know, that's all. So what is that answer? QR.
QR, sir.
Understand?
Option C, sir.
Yes. So but everybody will keep the QR only. But what is the exact answer? As we notice it, QR, if you'll see, actually it is negative value will come. But converging lens, what is the focal length? Positive or negative? Positive or negative?
Positive, sir.
Positive.
Positive. But here, if you'll take a QR, it will show the negative. But how, sir? Because this side they have not mentioned F. Have you noticed it? Please respond me. This side and this side both are same. So how to find here? As we know, the light ray which is falling parallel to the principal axis will go through the what? Will go through the
Focus.
focus. That is the point you have to remember. And the distance between the principal focus and optical center, what we should call that? What we should call that? That is called as
Focal length.
focal length. That's so. What is that? QR. Are you understand, guys? Everybody?
Sir, if in question paper in this in object side also P like QR.
Yes.
If after P some letters there, we can choose that
Yes.
one, no, sir.
That one you have to choose. That is how to.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you understanding? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now,
Okay, sir.
Padmavarshini, listen very carefully. Already it is positive. Have you noticed it? This is positive x-axis. Positive x-axis. Suppose if the ray diagram is not given, incomplete ray diagram, and this side they are representing some letter, then you have to choose this one. Okay? Half ray diagram they are giving. Understand, Padmavarshini?
Okay,
Not
sir.
drawn image fully. Then by the time you have to choose it. Because both the sides, this side, whatever the length, that side also same length will be there. Okay. Understand, Ra? Everybody? Now, this question let me answer. This question also same, you can able to answer very easily. Let me see who will answer correctly. Please. So our teacher demonstrated the dispersion of white light using a triangular glass prism. Using a what, Ra? So which diagram shows this dispersion happens? Can you able to say? Which diagram shows that the dispersion happens? Anybody?
D.
Option D. I want explanation. Yes. Please. So now here two options you can eliminate it. What is that? Can you able to say?
Sir, option B, we can eliminate, sir.
So now observe very carefully. This is the picture which is given general case. You can listen. So two options easily I can eliminate. So as we know, dispersion of light, when it is, if white light will fall, inside itself dispersion will take place. Is it Esra? Please respond, guys.
Yes, sir.
Then it says with the dispersion will start and later it will start spreading into wider areas. Now here, have you seen it? There is no dispersion. So can I eliminate this one?
Yes, sir.
And here also no dispersion. Can I eliminate this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, and you can see third case. Actually, see, dispersion should go from what? One refracting surface to another refracting surface. Is it yes? But it is coming where? Where it is coming? Please respond, Ray. So PQR, if you'll observe, where it is coming, Ra? Through the bottom surface. Is it possible to come with the bottom surface?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Others, respond me. So this option also eliminated. So what is perfectly matching for us?
D, sir.
Option B. So is it a question where we can spend more time? Please respond. No, that's all. So analyzing question is more important. So first two, you will observe A and C. Why we are deleted? A and C. Arvind, can you answer? Kevin? A and C, why we are deleted? Madhumita, Akhil Arfan, Tarani, anybody? So why we deleted A
Sir,
and C?
because in triangular glass
Because
design,
it is
making
Yes.
dispersion takes
Right.
time.
Here it is not.
Dispersion not taking place. Have you noticed it? That is why these two options we eliminated. Next here, actually we have two refracting surfaces in prism. What is that? This is one refracting surface and this is another refracting surface. Correct, guys? So it should not,
Yes,
it will bends, emergent ray will bends towards to the bottom surface, but not through the bottom surface. Yes or no? That's all. So option D is the one which is correctly matching for us. Okay, guys? Please
Yes, sir.
respond me. That is.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next question. Let me see who will answer. Very simple question. Do it fast. I don't have a time. Yeah. Question number 11. Let me see who will answer. Have you seen very simple, Ra? What is the difference between normal question paper and this question paper, Ra? Only they are adding pictures. Have you noticed?
Sir, option C, sir. Option C.
Let me see. They are adding pictures. Have you seen, guys? Have you seen? They are adding pictures.
Yes.
Nothing is there. So now let me see who will answer first. So as we know, what is the
Option
problem of
C,
plate
sir.
mirrors, guys? As we already discussed in the before.
Visual, laterally
laterally inverted,
to
laterally inverted.
Visual.
visual.
Means
Not
magnification is equal to 1 and always it will form what? Virtual image. Is it yes, guys? That's
Yes,
what.
sir.
So that is the characteristics. So magnified, is it possible to form the magnified image?
No,
No.
sir.
Same
No,
thing
sir.
will form. So magnification M is equals to what? 1. Correct? That's all.
Yes, sir.
So which one is matching here? Please respond.
C.
Which one is
Option A or option
option
C
A?
or option
C,
B?
sir.
Option C or option B will come, sir.
Option B and option C also will come.
Option C
Sir, I'm
only, sir.
saying for magnified, I'm saying, sir. Because both
Magnified.
also no, sir.
Only one option you have to choose. Understand?
C, sir.
All three. So
Sir, option C.
very good, Madhumita.
Option C, sir.
Y means laterally inverted. Yes, it is true. Next, magnification not possible. True. And it
Yes,
is
sir.
always which
Which
image?
one?
Virtual image. That is the reason. Is it a difficult question? Karthikeyan sir? That is. So, Arya, you understand Arya? Next
Sir.
question. Next question. Question number 12. Let me see who will answer. Seconds you have to answer. Within seconds. What is this? Don't take much time. Use brain and solve.
Sir, X.
C, sir.
So,
Option C.
Huh?
X and Y,
Option
sir.
C.
X and Y.
That's all.
Option C.
But
Option C, sir.
what is this difference between this question and normal question? Only picture. Have you noticed it, Ra? That's all.
Sir.
It is the competency based question, but it is how easy it is. Yes or no? What is the
Yes,
wrong?
sir.
What is the wrongly represented light ray here? Anybody?
Z, sir.
Is
Z,
that
sir.
Yes, a student draws 3 rays of light from P through the converging lens. Now, each point labeled F is the principal focus of the lens, so that which rays are drawn correctly. So correctly drawn what? One is going through the optical center and another one is going through the principal focus. Correct, guys? That's all. So X and Y are correct and Z is what? Wrong answer. That's so where it is there, X is correct and Y is correct because it is going through the focus. Next one going through the optical center. So X and Y. So which option is correct? Option C.
C.
Option C.
Next, this question. Let me see who will answer. Read the question carefully and answer. 13th question. A thin converging lens. A thin converging lens. Converging lens means which lens, Ra? Concave or convex?
Convex lens.
Convex lens.
Is easy to produce on a screen a focused image of a candle. Focused image of a candle. Okay. Now, various focused images are produced on the screen by moving the lens and the screen backward and forward direction. Backward and forward direction. Now, which statement is always correct? Anybody can say?
D.
Option D.
A thin converging lens is used to produce on a screen a focused image of a candle. A focused image of a candle. Now, various focused images are produced on a screen by moving the lens and the screen backward and forward. Various images we have been formed. So now, you tell me the image is what is happening. Anybody?
Sir,
Only
image is inverted.
Very good. That's all. So very smart. You have to be very smart in this question. Why means is it image is always forming on the focal point? No. Correct?
No, sir.
Behind focal
Yes, sir.
point will form always. Correct, guys? Please respond me. So it is not because they are using a word called as which word? On screen. On screen. On screen in the sense of which images, Ra? Real images only. That's all. Correct, Ra? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
So real images means what is the characteristics? It is maybe magnified, it may be diminished, but it is always what? Very good, Madhumita. What is the characteristics always? Always it is what, Ra? Always it is inverted. That's all. So we cannot say it is a bigger than the object. We cannot say it is closer to the lens of the object, but we can say definitely 100%. What is that? It is always inverted.
Inverted.
In this question, are you clear, Ra? Karthikeyan? Tarani? Nitish? That is. Is it a difficult question?
Sir, can you show that image again, sir?
Yeah, you can see. Understand? On screen. On screen means which image, Ra? Real or virtual, Kevin? On screen. Real.
Real.
Real. That is. So, ocular fun. Real image means always which image it is? Inverted image. Correct? That is the only thing. So magnified, diminished, we cannot say, depend upon the position. Now this question, let me see. Fastly answer, guys. Don't waste time. I have another class again. Do fast. The diagram shows the dispersion of white light by a glass slab. By a glass prism. Oh, sorry, not glass slab. Glass prism. Now, why does dispersion occurs when white light enters the light? Enters the glass? Seconds it will take. Why, guys? Anybody can say? Because why? Already a similar question we have been studied just now. So as we know, different lights is having different speeds in different mediums. Is it yes, guys? Please respond me. So why does they're asking, understanding, occurs when the white light enters the glass? So what is happening? As we know, the frequency of red light decreases more than that of violet light. That is not the issue for us, because as we know, along with the red and violet, red and blue, we have other colors also. Next one. The frequency of a violet light decreases more than the red light, they are saying. But usually whose frequency is more? Whose frequency is more? Blue light is
Red
more
light.
frequency. Red light is having more wavelength. Understand? Tarani, don't get confused. Red light is having larger wavelength and blue light is having, or violet light is having smaller wavelength, means larger frequency. So now, what is the correct answer? Anybody can say?
D option, sir. The speed of violet light
The
decreases.
speed of red light decreases more than that of violet light. Is it decreases speed of red light? No. Speed of red light is always more than the blue and violet lights. That is why, as we know, bending of light is also less. Bending of light.
Option D, sir.
Now,
Option D.
option D. So now, as we know, frequency does not matter. Now, if you see, the speed of violet light decreases more than that of red light. So which option is correct, Ra? The diagram shows the dispersion of white light of a glass slab. So the speed decreases. Different mediums is having different speed, different light, different colors of light is having different speeds in different mediums. So as we know, the speed of violet light decreases than that of red light, so that blue light will bend more, or else violet light will bend more compared to the which light, Ra? Red light. So which option is correct? Which option is correct, guys? Option
D.
Option D. Understand? That is, analyzing question is most important. Okay. So you have to be very careful and you have to solve it. So that is next question. Let me see who will answer. This is the mirror image, guys. Mirror image. Anybody? The diagram shows the image of a clock of a plane mirror. So what time it shows? Plane mirror, image it is. So kindly all of you observe very carefully and tell. Mind, if you'll see the mind.
25. 925.
925.
925.
925. 925. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 925 is the correct answer, because mirror image it is. So as we know, here 3 will be there. Here who will be there? 9 will be there. So mirror image means opposite it will form. So as we so noticed it, so it will be
9:30.
935 or 25.
35.
25 only, sir. 25, sir.
25 only, sir.
25 only. This will come to this side, correct, Tarani?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So 25 only, not 30. So 925. Very good, guys. That is. So that like that only question will be. Next, this question, 16th question. Anybody? So this is okay. Last question, we'll leave it. So this question answer. Anyone? The diagram shows a ray of light traveling from X. Angle P is less than the critical angle. Angle P is the less than the critical angle. In which direction does the ray continue? Seconds you can answer.
Sir,
Second.
B.
B, sir.
B.
Very good. Why? Anybody? Please respond.
Sir, lesser than the critical angle, sir.
Very good. So if you'll observe very carefully, the diagram shows a ray of light traveling from X. Okay, guys. Now, angle P is less than the critical angle. So less than the critical angle means what, guys? This won't be takes place. Yes or no? And this is also won't be takes place. Now, either C or B only correct answers. Now, as we know, if it is entering from denser to rarer, it will bend away from the normal or towards the normal?
Towards,
Denser to rarer.
away from
Away from
Towards
the normal. So
Away.
two rays which is moving away from the normal. It is the
Option B.
it is the actual path. It is because of the decreasing density. Who is moving away from the normal, I am asking?
B, sir.
Option B. Do you understand, Ra? Is it a difficult question? Please respond me. Are you understand? Anybody? Doubts means ask me. So which one is the correct answer? The direction which the light
Option B, sir.
is option B. Understand, Varshini Bensi? Nitish? No response. Okay. So, okay, carry on. So now last question of this. So this is already we have been studied. Now let me see who will answer. The radio waves which are received at a house at the bottom of a hill, the waves reach the house because the hill has, okay, it is wave theory. It is not there for you people, but still you can try this question. So that's all. With this, I am going to stop the today's class. Thank you, everybody. You can try to answer this. Radio waves in the sense of heat waves. Light, the same way like light. So try to answer this question. Let me see, reflected or refraction or radiated or diffracted. You can answer it. So directly you can say answer. What is that? So
Diffracted.
no, diffracted means it is going through the light, small hole and dispersion. Correct? Yes.
Sir, reflected, sir.
Radio waves it is.
Radiated.
Radio waves are received at a bottom.
Radiated, sir.
Yeah, radiation. Understanding. That's all. Nothing is there. That. So okay, that is anyhow it is not there. So you can leave. So this is all about it. With this, I'm going to stop the today's class. Hope all of you understand. So this is what we should call as competency based. Means this is what we should call as competency based question. Nothing is difficult. Are you feeling any difficulty in this? Just only logical brain is required. Logical brain is required. 1 or 2 questions may be tough. That questions we can leave it in a choice. That's all. Understand, guys?
Okay,
Listen.
sir.
Yes,
That's
sir.
so. With this, I will stop the today's class. Thank you, all of you. All of you prepare well for your class. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone.